Welcome to my tutorial on assigning a link to a website to your classroom page. So here's my classroom page. I'm going to go up to classwork and I want to create an assignment. I'm going to call this Quizlet Lesson 2. So what I'd like to have the students do is go to Quizlet, and here's the link to it. I'm going to copy that. And paste it here. I'm going to add that link and then give them some instructions on what they're supposed to do. Go to the link and study the flashcards for 10 minutes. When you are finished, mark as turned in. All right, this is going to be worth 10 points. The topic, we're going to call this Quizlet. And the due date, we're going to set that for a couple weeks out here. April 3rd. Actually, let's go April 10th. Okay, I'm going to assign that. And then when I look, it's right there.